Episode 2: 3 signs your inner child is sabotaging your career. That time you froze in a meeting or over explained yourself in an email. That wasn't your adult self. That was your 7-year-old self still trying to feel safe. Last week, a senior VP broke down in my session, not because of a recent deal, but because he realized he would been building his career trying to win his father's approval, now projected onto his boss. That's when it hit him. I am not reacting from my role, I am reacting from my wounds. In this video, you will learn how unresolved childhood pattern quietly sabotage your career and what to do about it. Part 1: what is the inner child and why it still runs the show? Your inner child is the part of your subconscious that formed between ages 2 to 7. During this time, your brain was downloading emotional survival rules: how to stay safe, how to earn love, how to avoid rejection. Those unhealed experiences, like being judged, dismissed, or criticized, did not vanish. They got buried, and now they show up when you are under pressure. Every time you feel small, panicked, or triggered at work, that's your inner child trying to stay safe, not your adult self making strategic decision. Part 2: the 3 career sabotage patterns. Number 1: the perfectionism prison. You miss deadlines not because you are lazy, but because nothing ever feels good enough. Your inner child believes, if I am perfect, I'll be loved. Number 2: the approval addiction. Your self-worth rises and falls within your boss moods. You replay feedback 10 times in your head, trying to earn praise you never got as child. Third, the visibility fear. You don't speak up in the meeting. You hide your genius. Your inner child believes, if I say small, I stay safe. Now coming to part 3, the workplace inner child quiz. Let's meet the 4 most common inner child archetypes in your career. The perfectionist child, obsessed with proving worth. People pleaser child, can't say no without guilt. Next is the rebel child, rejects structure or feedback, even if helpful. Next, the invisible child, avoids visibility and it plays safe. Pause here and ask, which one do I become at work? Write it down. This awareness alone is life changing. Please do it. Stop the video or pause the video and do it. Part 4, the integration protocol. Here is how to respond from your adult self instead. Trigger timeline check-in. Ask, how old do I feel right now? What is this reminding me of? Inner child dialogue. Before a big meeting, say, I have got this. You can relax now. Say that. Professional parenting. Give your inner child what they lack. If they needed safety, set boundaries. If they needed love, celebrate yourself. If they needed voice, speak up. Now, if you have liked this video, please click the like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of self-sabotage. Comment your archetype below. I reply to every insight, and if this resonated deeply, DM me reset to explore private coaching. This is where your real career begins. Click link below for a free one-on-one session with me. Thank you and have a nice day.